We've done it now. Done.
Yes.
It's done.
So it's time to say bye.
It's done. Bye. Yes, today we are making the Prohibition cocktail, and of course I'll be showing you the mocktail version, which in my opinion is my best mocktail to date. You don't want to miss this. Don't go away. I'll see you in a minute. When making a mocktail, you want it to have the same depth and complexity as a cocktail. So when I was browsing through the interwebs and I found this Prohibition cocktail made by Morgan McClone from Sydney, I thought this is gonna be an absolutely delicious and nutritious mocktail. And I'm glad to say I was not wrong. For the Prohibition cocktail, I've amended the original recipe slightly. So I have this Averna Siciliano Amaro. The original was with Montenegro, and instead of using Shiraz red wine, I've got this Merino organic wine from Portugal. And then for the mocktail, instead of using Bourbon, which is the base spirit, I'm going to be using this 3-spirit nightcap, which also has some of the flavor notes that the Amaro has. So you can get the Amaro and the Bourbon all mixed together in one in this nightcap version. And then of course, I've got myself some non-alcoholic red wine. So, let's get down to tasting. Trish, over to you. The Prohibition cocktail, non-alcoholic, alcoholic. Try them out. See what you think.
This is really good. I can feel the bourbon, I can feel all the flavors, but I do prefer without the cinnamon on the top.
Without the cinnamon. All right, let's get down to some non-alcoholic madness.
Taste is absolutely the same. Boom! Boom!
It's very foamy.
Very foamy and very tasty.
It is very tasty.
Very tasty. But
I think I could just bathe in this. It's that good.
It's really good. Okay.
Do some more?
Yes.
But there you go. The Prohibition cocktail, the non-alcoholic one, wins hands down this time. No arguments there whatsoever. But thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and
smash that like button.
Smash that like button, exactly. And because you're still here, you lucky people, you can check out the cocktail that we did last week. It was the old fashioned, using the same non-alcoholic spirit. And thank you very much. And that is just up here, just up there. We see it in 3D from here. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Trisha's already gone. I'm going to take this one. Until next week, see you then. This is delicious. Delicious. Click there. Delicious.